Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You have admin access and a quick backup. Now start. Open Settings and go straight to Apps or Time and Language depending on Windows version. Find installed apps or language and input, then scan the list for Google Keyboard or Gboard entries. You're doing this to remove the input driver and stop automatic keyboard switching. Once found, select it to reveal options. Make sure you don't remove core language packs, only the Google Keyboard entry itself. Now uninstall the app and any associated drivers. Click Uninstall and accept the UAC prompt. After app removal, open Device Manager and expand keyboards to remove residual drivers. Right-click and uninstall so Windows won't re-add the driver automatically. Next, open Task Manager Startup and Services to disable anything labeled Google, Gboard, or Keyboard Service. Doing this prevents background reinstalls and keeps your input list clean. Make sure to reboot once these removals complete to let changes commit. Finish by rebooting and verifying your active input methods in Settings right arrow Language and Input. If the Google Keyboard still appears, check Startup and Task Scheduler again for leftover installers and remove them. You may need to reinstall your laptop manufacturer keyboard driver if Windows removed it. Use the vendor site, not third-party tools. If problems persist, run sfc/scano and dism to repair system files, or roll back.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.